Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's take a look at this 2019 Toyota RAV4 Limited in blueprint exterior with the gray Softex interior. Now, as far as our options go, we do have the limited grade weather package, which includes cooled seats. We also do have the windshield wiper de-icer, heated outboard rear seats that do recline, as well as rain sensing wipers. All weather mats, clear protection door package, and phone charger for a total of $36,406. Gas mileage 26 city, 35 highway. Your wheels, these are going to be the 19-inch alloys you do get on your limited trim. Coming around back, limited badging. You do have smart key access, so just put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. Then coming in, 97 miles on this one, so put your foot on the brake and button to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. Coming underneath the hood are the 2.5 liter dual overhead cam i4, 203 horsepower, 184 foot-pounds of torque, all going through an 8-speed automatic and the front wheels. You also do have the hybrid powertrain available, but this one in particular does have Eco, Normal, and Sport driving modes. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now, before coming in, over here in our side mirror, it is going to be body color, return signal indicators, and blind spot monitoring. But coming in, we do have that light gray two-tone Softex interior, fully perforated for heated and vented functions. All your power adjustments down below with power lumbar connected to your two-person memory on your door with your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Padded and stitched door panel, as well as your storage down below. Climbing in. To the left of our steering wheel, you do have your panel dim, automatic high beams, windshield wiper de-icer, heated wheel, and your power trunk. Coming to that wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather-wrapped wheel. You do have your 4-way D-pad for your LCD gauge cluster right here. It is going to be a 7-inch screen. You also do have your Bluetooth voice commands and volume right there. Over on the right, dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with steer assist, as well as your mode and seek. Over on the left, you do have your automatic headlights, fog lights, tap to 3 blinks blinkers, and your high beam activation. Over on the right, you do have those rain sensing wipers that do come on your limited grade weather package. Now, coming to your head unit, this is going to be an 8-inch screen. Going to your audio system and checking out sources, there's going to be AM, FM, XM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to your main menu, that's where your Apple CarPlay projection is going to be when you do plug in your phone. And going to map, you do have your navigation system right here. Destination input is going to be a one search for all, so it can be a point of interest, a street address, a city, or a specific place like a Target. Press search, and it will navigate you to the closest one. So that's a neat feature. Below that, dual zone auto climate control with your driver and front passenger temperature, fan speed, and zones. Below that, tri-stage heated and cooled seats. You do have your audio inputs and a 12-volt. And then coming to your 8-speed automatic, sport mode with manual shift, rear view camera right there on your audio screen. And you do have your power parking brake, brake hold, and your drive modes. Nice padded armrest with 2 charging USBs down in there. Glove box, nice and damp with all your owner's manuals in there. Little technology shelf. And then coming up top, you do have your rear view camera monitor. As you can see, it is going to be a traditional rear view mirror if you would like it to, but that little notch right there in your rear window is going to be a camera to give you a live feed behind your vehicle. And this is nice because you don't have to look through the vehicle to get a view out. See, if you see through here, you can see all the headrest and the wiper. But turning this on eliminates all of that and gives you a pure view of what's behind you. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a little extension. You also do have sunglass storage as well as your map lights right here and your power sliding sunroof. Closing it up. That just about wraps up the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Coming back here, that same two-tone Softex does follow through. With the front seat slid a little bit farther back for my 5'9" frame, I still do have plenty of room with plenty of footroom. Door pan materials follow through with your padded stitched leather. You also do have your power window, heated seat, and door storage. Over here in your center console, you also do have vents and 2 charging USBs with a rear seat mount pocket, as well as an armrest over here to my right. And then up top, damped cornering handle with coat hook and some illumination. Nice view of the dash right there, and as you can see, that rear view monitor right up top. And we'll go ahead and check out the cargo area and we'll wrap up our video. Coming around back, just press the membrane underneath your Toyota logo to open up your hatch. It will chime. And then as you can see, that nice all-weather cargo mat. Behind your 60/40 folding rear seats, you have plenty of room, but you can fold those down for even more room. Rear tonneau cover to keep eyes off of your stuff. And then you can see the reclining second row seat. So you can see this one is reclined a little bit more so than the 60 portion over there. You also do have your illumination and a charging outlet over there. Temporary spare tire is located in the vehicle. Going ahead and closing that up, that'll conclude the video on the 2019 RAV4 Limited. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any other model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.